These days, there are many fake watches, replica watches, or however you might call them. There are fake Rolexes which are being sold for $200, which are relatively easy to spot. But a fake Rolex for $1,000 is nearly impossible to spot. Even veteran watchmakers may need up to 1 hour with a microscope to find out if such a watch is a fake watch. The problem is that people aren't just manufacturing fake Rolexes these days. There are perfect fake watches for nearly every brand, from Cartier to Patek, even down to Seiko. So you're probably here because you have a bad feeling about a particular watch. You may have bought it from second-hand or from an unofficial store. You trusted the seller after you did some investigation and back and forth messaging. But now you are where you are. Your new watch seems fake and you quickly want to find out if that's truly the case. After all, you might have been scammed on, with much of your hard-earned money possibly lost forever. Now, you could either go to an official store of the watch brand, which would take you some time and could cost you additional fees on top of your potential losses. Or you could watch videos on YouTube on how to spot a fake Rolex, fake Seiko, or whatever the case might be for you. Yes, this is a painful situation which could even happen to professional watch traders. But luckily for you, there is a quick and easy way to find out if your watch is fake, online, from where you are, without any expert knowledge needed. The solution is a specialized digital platform called Ventrace. Ventrace is a platform that creates and moderates digital certificates. These digital certificates are basically certified online pages which can list official details about any watch on Earth, collected from official watch factories, watch stores, and repair centers around the world. That means if you want to know if your watch is fake, you simply look into the digital certificate of your watch to see if the official brand of your watch is confirming the authenticity of it. That's the easiest and fastest way to get to the truth. To get the digital certificate for a fake check, you need to go to ventrace.com and type in the serial number of your watch into the search box. If your search returns any results, then that is already a good sign, indicating that some official watch business has already provided details about your watch on Ventrace. However, if your search returns no results, then it just means that the digital certificate of your watch just needs to be activated. The activation process is quick and easy. That is because Ventrace is doing the activation work for you. All what you need to do is just to order the activation for only $15. Your digital certificate can tell you exactly where your watch is from, whether it's original or fake. But that is not all. Your digital certificate can automatically receive more details about the life of your watch. This includes repair reports, health warnings, and location details in case you lose your watch. Think about how awesome that is. Instead of feeling scammed on or unsure about your watch, you can directly use a tested and proven platform to find out the truth quickly. And that's it. You can either fake check your watch by spending a lot of money and time for extra services of a watch dealership, or you can use fast, affordable, and digital solutions such as Ventrace. What are your experiences with fake watches? Please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel for more updates, reviews, and news about the world of watches.